Welcome back to Autocars Studio 512. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE is the latest evolution of one of the most refined and luxurious SUVs in the automotive world. Combining cutting-edge technology, superior craftsmanship, and high-performance capabilities, the new GLE is designed to redefine the premium SUV segment. Mercedes-Benz has taken a bold step forward, integrating an updated design language, advanced hybrid and electric powertrains, and next-level digital connectivity to offer a driving experience that is both exhilarating and comfortable. From the first glance, the 2026 GLE commands attention with its sleek yet muscular stance. The exterior has been meticulously refined to enhance both aerodynamics and aesthetics. The bold front fascia features a striking hexagonal grille with chrome accents, flanked by sharp, adaptive LED headlights that deliver a distinctive light signature. The sculpted hood adds to the dynamic appeal, while the redesigned front bumper integrates large air intakes that improve cooling and performance. The side profile showcases its balanced proportions, with a sloping roofline that merges seamlessly into the rear, giving the GLE a sporty yet elegant look. At the back, the new GLE features a redesigned tailgate with slim LED taillights that stretch across the width, creating a futuristic appearance. The rear bumper is sculpted to perfection, housing integrated exhaust outlets that add to the performance-oriented design. The aerodynamic enhancements contribute to improved fuel efficiency and stability at high speeds. The glossy brown finish of the model reflects its premium appeal, making it stand out in any setting, especially in a well-lit indoor showroom where its fine details shine. Stepping inside the 2026 GLE, the cabin is nothing short of a technological masterpiece. Mercedes-Benz has elevated the luxury experience with premium materials, ambient lighting, and an intuitive digital cockpit. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved display that seamlessly integrates the latest MBUX infotainment system and a fully digital instrument cluster. The high-resolution touchscreen offers AI-assisted controls, voice commands, and gesture recognition, ensuring a seamless interaction between the driver and the vehicle. The center console is crafted with high-quality materials, featuring a minimalist layout with a touch-sensitive control pad for enhanced convenience. The seating experience in the new GLE is designed for supreme comfort. The front seats offer multiple adjustments, massage functions, and heating and cooling options. The rear passengers are treated to generous legroom, reclining seats, and premium upholstery that ensures a first-class experience. The panoramic sunroof adds to the sense of openness, while the advanced climate control system maintains the perfect cabin temperature regardless of the outside conditions. Acoustic insulation has been improved, making the ride whisper quiet even at high speeds. Under the hood, the 2026 GLE is available with multiple powertrain options, catering to both traditional and eco-conscious drivers. The base models feature a refined turbocharged inline-six engine with mild hybrid technology, delivering an excellent balance of power and efficiency. For those seeking electrification, Mercedes-Benz has introduced a powerful plug-in hybrid variant with an extended electric range, making it ideal for city driving and reducing emissions. At the top of the range, an all-electric GLE model is available, featuring dual motors and an intelligent all-wheel drive system that delivers instant torque and seamless acceleration. Performance in the 2026 GLE is nothing short of impressive. The standard gasoline-powered model can accelerate from 0 to 16 miles per hour in just under 5.5 seconds, while the electric variant achieves similar figures thanks to its immediate power delivery. The adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride over any terrain, and the intelligent 4MATIC system continuously monitors traction, distributing power efficiently for optimal performance. The GLE is engineered to handle both urban commutes and off-road adventures with ease, thanks to its enhanced ground clearance and drive mode settings that adjust the vehicle's dynamics accordingly. Mercedes-Benz has prioritized safety in the new GLE, equipping it with the latest driver assistance technologies. The suite of safety features includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system that enhances visibility in all driving conditions. The semi-autonomous driving system allows for hands-free driving on highways, making long journeys more relaxed and stress-free. The vehicle also incorporates a predictive suspension system that anticipates road conditions, adjusting the damping in real time to ensure maximum comfort. The 2026 GLE also embraces sustainability, with Mercedes-Benz focusing on eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient technologies. The cabin incorporates recycled materials in upholstery and trim options, maintaining luxury without compromising environmental responsibility. The electric and plug-in hybrid models are designed to reduce carbon footprints, while the advanced battery management system enhances longevity and efficiency. Fast charging capabilities allow the electric GLE to recharge up to 80% in under 30 minutes, ensuring convenience for daily use. Mercedes-Benz has gone the extra mile to ensure that every GLE owner enjoys a highly customizable experience. Buyers can choose from a wide range of exterior colors, wheel designs, and interior finishes to create a vehicle that suits their personal style. Optional features such as a high-end Burmester sound system, rear seat entertainment screens, and an augmented reality navigation system further enhance the luxury experience. The 2026 GLE represents the pinnacle of innovation in the luxury SUV segment. It combines timeless Mercedes-Benz elegance with futuristic technology and sustainable performance, making it a compelling choice for discerning drivers. Whether it's the refined combustion engine, the plug-in hybrid efficiency, or the cutting-edge electric model, the new GLE offers an unparalleled blend of power, luxury, and intelligence. With its bold design, state-of-the-art interior, and advanced driving dynamics, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE is set to dominate the roads and set new benchmarks in the SUV market. Thanks for watching.